Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to review the new MacBook Pro by Apple, the 16-inch. So this review is not for normal user. I'm not a tech reviewer and I don't want to bring a bunch of lists of saying like how good this MacBook Pro is and how many good features it has. The review I'm giving you is just for programmers. If you're not a programmer, you might not care about this stuff. I'm switching from this Microsoft Surface laptop. I have been using it more than a year now. It is nice and the design is clean, but there are a few reasons I'm switching to MacBook. I have used MacBook previously in the previous company I was working, but I have never owned a MacBook myself. So I just purchased it and it came today. So this is not a really cheap laptop. So in Australia, like the base model is start from 3,000 and almost 800. So this is an expensive. But if Apple is going to make the other version a little stable like this one, it had some issues in the previous generations. Since 2015, 2018 one, they were had an issue with I don't know, thermal issue, and the keyboard was missing. You can see the reviews by YouTubers. I'm not going to talk about this stuff, but there are a few reasons I think Mac is better than Windows for programmers. So the first thing I'm going to share with you is the terminal. I know PowerShell exists in Windows. I'm a PHP developer. Most of the time I run a lot of like PHP command to install some packages like Composer install. In Windows, it sucks. It just stops there for a few minutes and then it starts downloading. If a package is already in your computer, it should not go and download it, right? It should use the cache. But on a PC, it is going to show you every line of that. I have used Mac. If it is cached on your computer, it is not showing anything. It's instantly adding that to your project. So not talking about only the packages. If you're a Python developer, it is the same. You install a package. If you're Java Studio, you're installing npm packages, and Mac is way faster. The second reason that I think Mac is better, it is the matching of hardware and software. Apple is designing the Mac OS as a software as well as the hardware, so both of them are matching. If they see any issue, they fix it. But if you are on the PC side, some of the companies like Dell, HP, like Razer, they produce a laptop and the software is by Microsoft. There is not any problem. Sometimes it happens, but they can fix it. But I think it is a good mix matching for the hardware and software to use Mac, because both of them matching together and one company is making. It is not a big deal. The third reason is important, like it is the ecosystem for developers. When I was using a PC and you want to run some PHP code or Python, you have to install Python in your computer. You have to install web server. You have no idea what web server is, and it's a little difficult for the people to install. I have been using Windows for 5 years. Now I know everything from end to end of it. But when it comes to Mac, PHP and Python, it is already in your system and you don't have to install anything. All you have to know is just find out where you want to run your code, either that is Python or PHP code. All of them are working and installed. They are already installed in the Mac OS. And there is not much more reason behind that. Of course, Mac is based on Linux core, I think. And I'm not sure about that, but it is similar to any Linux core. So that's it. I know the video is short, but after this I'm making more tutorials on Mac, and if you have any question, you can ask for the PC side also. And this is the Mac, and I'm switching to this one. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.